G'day YouTubers, I'm Dodger Mohr and welcome to my channel. Late last year I purchased a SWM Superdual X, and part of the deal was that I got panniers as well as a pannier rack. Now these hard panniers are ideal for road tours and some dirt roads, but they're not ideal for the bush. So I did some research on soft panniers, and there's quite a big range out there, and I decided, well, I'm going to go with Touratech. Okay, let's see what is in these packets. So these are Touratech Endurance Click, and they're nice bright yellow. Okay, let's have a look at it. So inside the bag we have instructions, shoulder strap so that you can take that bag and just throw it over your shoulder, and a rigid insert, and some clips. I would take it that's for the insert, to make sure the insert stays in place. It also has inside, I'm not too sure whether you're going to see this, but it's got a rigid back, and it's also got a little compartment where you can store papers, pens, little zip area as well to put documents, I take it. That's quite cool, I like that. I'm very happy with it. 28 litre capacity, and there's no straps on the back at all. They all click into the frame. These are all adjustable. So you can adjust it to whatever size frame you have. And they stay. Touratech. So let's go and install these bags. There's a little bit of work involved, but it's reasonably easy. Anybody can do it. So the first thing I've done, I've installed some heat shields which I had lying around from my giant loop bags. This will just give it a little bit of extra protection towards the bags and heat. Before installing the bags on the sides, I've had to remove a few things. I've had to remove these little rubber grommets, this bracket here, and these little knobs down the bottom there as well. So once they're being removed, the bags just actually click on. So the new bags are now installed. They're roll top bags, so they're waterproof. They've got reflective logo on the back. They're nice and bright yellow. And to take them off, it's just a matter of bang, off. That's how quick it is. And I'll see if I can put this on using just one hand. So basically you just got these little clips down the side there. Got to link them in first, and then you have to have hold of the handle and it clicks in. Once they're clicked in, they don't come off. Now to open them, it's just a matter of undoing that clip and another clip down here. Undo the Velcro bit here, pull the strap back, open up, storage, plenty of room. So YouTubers, that's the Touratech Endurance Click bags. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay happy, I suppose. So all I have to do now is take them out and test them and see how good they are. I think I'll be pretty happy with them. The idea of them being able to click in and click off so easily, I love it. That's pretty good, and they're soft.